testing some games at work. I figured I could record just a little bit while I do some gameplay anyway. This is Monster Catcher. So the balls fall down here and you gotta catch them in there. Oh, I thought I had to hit it to drop it. Here we go. Oh. Oh, come on. Maybe I shouldn't watch it from the camera. All right, that's a little better. Oh, what is that? Come on. Let's see, I tested this one. This is just like the Simpsons soccer that they had whenever I was a kid, or you were a kid, and a lot of us were kids. It works except for this target arm back here. Keeps slamming the side, so the linkage is messed up. Got a Crossy road. What else do we have? Scooby-Doo. This is basically a big bass wheel. What else do I have to test? Oh, there's some more back here. A couple of ski balls. There's this bowling game. It's like a ski ball as well. And then there is some kind of wheel thing. Oh, there's another. That one is the one where you shoot a guy out of a cannon, I think. And there's that Tower of Tickets. What else do we have? I don't know what this one is. It must have some kind of dance pad or something to it. Oh, maybe that's the one with the reel. That's probably the one with the reel. Gold Fishin. Classic, kind of. And then, I haven't seen this version. And Paw Patrol. It's basically SpongeBob jellyfishing. Yeah, those are the new ones that just came in. There's a Fruit Ninja. So yeah, just kind of testing these out. This one works. They pretty much all work. They came from an arcade that was actually working, and it closed down. The business closed down. It was in a business, so we're just checking them and then moving to a new location. All right, I built myself a little mini arcade to have fun this morning. This is the one I've been working on. I finally got into it. It was like automatically having an error every time you coined it up, like you were trying to cheat, but I got it figured out. It was just dirty sensors, I guess. But not too bad for a little lunch break arcade. This one's kind of cool. It's different. I haven't seen this one yet. Let's see. I can play it. You can only go left or right. Hopefully a good one to drop it on. So there's 100. Don't see any good ones coming around. So there's a 200. Make sure your powder is wide. 200.
Gotcha.
Oh.
Snake, drop them now.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing. Let's try it again.
About to set sail on course for adventure.
Gotcha.
There's another 200. I missed it.
Snake, drop them now.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing.
All right, I'm testing Willie Crash. Just push this plunger down and try to shoot him onto the 1,000 building. Overshot. It's pretty fun. I don't know if I would sit around and pay a whole bunch of money, but for free, it's decent. Too far, way too far. I'm trying to hit the angle that it was showing in the attract mode, and it's way wrong. Let's see, I have 294 built up, so I haven't done really well. Still too far. Way more straight up and down than I had it.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Like Evil Knievel / Super Dave / Muppet. All right, here we go. Still too far. Much closer. Oh, he did a little dance. So if you lay on top of the building, you don't injure him, even if he's injured. That's pretty fantastic. All right. Let's see. Oh, closer.
I should have stayed in school.
It really feels like straight up and down. All right. Let's get this. Short.
I'm good.
Swish. Long. Pretty close. I've hit off the middle building and then slid off the side on both sides, but I haven't landed it. Oh, I hit a bird. It actually helped me, but I still didn't get that close.
Stupid birds.
Stupid birds. Sorry for the wobbly camera. Oh, short. Hit that bird. Oh, the bird almost helped. 9 credits to go. Whew. Hands getting tired from holding the phone. 4 minutes. Oh, way short.
I should have stayed in school.
364 tickets. Hey, we're in St. Louis. Over. Oh, how fitting, I got electrocuted.
That's not supposed to bend that way.
Have you seen this? What? Trying to catch all the little inside jokes. too far. Hit a bird. Come on, I at least want to hit this one time.
Done wrecked the place.
What's the point of getting to play for free? Way short. I was long. That would have been a good spot to hit a bird. 35 tickets. I have hit 100 tickets. Probably only played 10 times or so before I started video. Alright, back in St. Louis. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is that? He should have landed perfectly. Oh, tartar sauce.
Have you ever had one of those?
I call shenanigans. What a bunch of BS. Ow. Alright, 3 more tries. Way too far. Alright, let's see how much damage we can do to him. We're not going to hit the 1,000.
That's gonna leave him alone.
Or 2 tries. Do 1 to torture him, 1 to try to hit it. I wonder if we can hit it over the 25 tickets. See how much distance we can get. Nothing out there to hit.
I'll pay for that.
We did some damage though. Oh. Hit another bird. Dang it, dang it.
That's gonna leave him alone.
All right, back to work. These 2 right here are going to be ground and 5 volts. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is, a nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted, I got what I wanted, and a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
Get what I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.